pambato ng Pilipinas na si Jean Isabel Villasano pinilakpakan sa sobrang galing sumagot sa top 5 final question and answer portion ng Miss Face of Beauty International 2024 na rito ating panoorin.
Okay, next, Chloe. Take your question and I will give it for you. Miss Chloe, here's your question. What does it mean to be a strong, independent woman? Again, what does it mean to be a strong, independent woman?
Good afternoon. There are many definitions of strength, but I believe that the most fitting definition of a strong independent woman is somebody who knows her purpose and someone who knows her core. Because when somebody knows what they're meant to do and what they want for the rest of their life, they'll be able to force through it beautifully, as long as they pursue the dreams and make sure that they leave it back to their communities as well. Thank you.